Hey guys, how are you? Raul Ruiz here with the Ruiz Realty Group. It's time for another episode of Dallas Best New Construction. Let's just go ahead and jump right at it. There are numerous additional features in this new listing. As we head inside, we can notice metal beams. I'm a big fan. They're great looking and allow for fewer columns in an open concept. Other specifics worth mentioning are the transom windows, the glass wall on the second floor, iron or metal railing in the staircase, and linear vents and multiple speakers spread throughout the house. All of these are great upgrades. If you want a pool, this new construction has it, which saves a lot of headaches because you don't need to get a second loan to build it or come out of pocket. Basically, it's rolling to your loan. Now, let's talk economics. This 4-bed, 6-bath, 4,245 square footage home is listed for 2.15 mil, equaling about 506 per square foot, which is in the higher end for this neighborhood. Want to know more about the monthly cost on a house like this? Please look above. Considering that this home already has a pool and is filled with lots of upgrades, this house is definitely Raul approved. Want to know more about a certain neighborhood? Comment below. For more videos like this, follow us.